All right, YouTube, 106 Falconer, back with a freaking exciting video. I got me a couple drones here. These are the RUKO. This is a RUKO U11S, and this is a RUKO VEENIIX V11. Just got the V11 today. I actually bought it. Every review online is from people who they were sent there for free. Anyways, I don't know what's up with these drones, but I got the U11S. First flight, everything was perfect on it. I was so impressed with it. You know, it was on good sale, so I bought it. So I'm like, you know, I'm going to order me a better drone, and I'll have one for the grandkids to play with. You know, we can fly around. Well, anyways, first flight, the U11S performed. I mean, even in high. I mean, it was really cool. I mean, I got zero drone experience, but I mean, I bought a drone years ago. One of the cheap ones where, I mean, Christ, you had to be like a freaking juggler in order to fly the things. This thing, I mean, the minute you let go of the sticks, it stays right there, blah, blah, blah. But second flight, the camera angle adjustment stopped working on it. All right, so you can't adjust the camera. I'll show you here. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. Okay, drone's fired up. I'm not going to put my phone in it because I just want to show you the camera. All right, remote's fired up. So if we, this is how you adjust the camera angle, and it won't do anything. But if I use the left joystick, it'll move the camera. All right, but you can't do that when you're trying to fly it. It just don't work. Like I say, the thumb wheel does nothing. Anyways, so RUKO is supposed to be sending me a new drone. I haven't heard back from them. But prior to that going bad, you know, like I said, I was really impressed with this thing, and I'm like, son of a bitch. So I ordered this other drone. This is their new drone, the V11. Let me shut this off here. Come on, shut off. Oh, no, wait. I gotta turn that. All right, so that's shut off. So then I ordered the V11. Just had it up in the air. The freaking thing flies awesomely, but the freaking video. So let me get the phone in there, get it fired up here, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Yeah, I don't know, not really sure what the deal is, but like I say, the few videos that you can find about this VEENIIX V11 online, I mean, every one that I've seen so far has been one that RUKO has sent people to write a review on. All right, so we got that. Got my phone hooked up here. Let me son of a bitch. All right, we got the old drone fired up. Let me get the gonna fire up the VEENIIX Fly app. Okay. Wait, where's my remote now? All right, powered on. You got to double click the remote. So it's connecting. Let's see. Still connecting. Still connecting. Now this one doesn't use Wi-Fi. It uses whatever radio frequency. Okay, so I'm connected. You can see that. GPS mode. So let me fire the app or get the controls going. Go through that.
First flight. Select an op.
I don't want that. Let's see. Go through this. They got to open the rope. Yeah, blah, blah, blah. Then all that. All right.
GPS mode.
So now I'm going to do the calibration. Calibration. All right. So we're good. Now I'm going to do this. Got the gyroscope calibrated. Now I'm gonna start screen recording, because look at this. Look at that. That's the way it. I want to turn the audio on here. Come on. What the effing? I think I'm recording audio. What the fuck, Rick and Racky? Okay, microphone. Never mind. Calls and dogs. I am recording audio. So I'm doing a screen recording with audio. So now I'll launch the drone, and this freaking green color, and then you'll have to see the screen once I get lifted off here. What's going on here? All right, so I want you to see it on here too, if you can. Let's see here. I'll go up to max height. Look at them.
Height limited.
Height limited, because I still have it on beginner's mode. But look at all that blue in there, plus the green. I got no filters on, as you can see. See, no filters on, none. So I don't know what the deal is. I mean, what? So I'm gonna land her now, but as far as the thing flies awesome. I mean, whoop. I don't even know where it's at up there. It's somewhere. It's height limited at 30 meters. So. But anyways, so let me bring it home. I'm gonna hit the, I'll hit the home button. Where are we at here? Right here. Down. So now she's gonna come down, but I don't understand. Should be in the friggin' view. Where the hell? Oh, I'm there. So anyways, there you go. That's the, even with saved videos, it has that green on there. Oh, you know what? I never did take a picture, but I do have some saved from earlier, which I'll show you. Well, okay, that one's from earlier. Hopefully the screen recorder is still going. Yeah, I don't get it. Don't. Oh, there's me. I'm freaking handsome as shit. Hey, well, that's it, man. I guess I'm gonna have to get a hold of RUKO again and find out what the deal is, because honestly, I got no freaking idea. So I'll let you know if I get any updates. All right, that's it. See ya.